This walk starts in Slimbridge near the Tudor Arms and follows the Gloucester and Sharpness Canal to the south. It's a flat, peaceful stretch of towpath with the River Severn never far away. The canal was built in the early 19th century, giving ships a safer route and avoiding the dangerous tides on the River Severn. Today it feels unhurried, the water barely moves, and the further you walk, the quieter it becomes. Then, without much warning, the landscape changes. These are the remains of the Purton Ships Graveyard. These ships weren't lost to storms, but in the early 1900s, old vessels known as Severn hulks were deliberately grounded here to protect the canal bank from erosion caused by the river's powerful tides. Barges, trows and steamships were slowly brought in and left to become part of the shoreline itself. Over time, nature took over. Wood rotted, iron rusted, and the river claimed each ship in its own way. It's a peaceful place now, but heavy with stories. A walk that begins with calm water and ends among the bones of ships.